Look at the earth so wide and long. Look at the sky so high and tall. Look at the sun so bright and strong. Look at the moon above so small. Who made the earth so wide and long? Who made the sky so high and tall? Who made the sun so bright and strong? Who made the moon above so small? Subhanallah, glory be to Allah. Subhanallah, glory be to Allah. Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Look at the night and at the days. Look at the sky and at the sea. Look at the mountain and the river. Look at the plant and at the trees. Who made the night and made the days? Who made the sky and made the sea? Who made the mountain and the rivers? Who made the plant and made the trees? Subhanallah, glory be to Allah. Subhanallah, glory be to Allah. Subhanallah, Subhanallah, Subhanallah.